Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off ignore repeated touches in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity and then scroll down and here click on ignore repeated touches. Now first of all, if you want to turn on ignore repeated touches, you have to tap here twice to test, and after completing the tap test you can tap on this button to turn on ignore repeated touches. Now if you want to turn off ignore repeated touches, then tap on this button again to turn it off. So with this button you can turn on or turn off ignore repeated touches in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.